Thanks for joining me, guys. I'm just going to cover a little bit for information for anybody that's modifying a first gen, second gen Dodge Neon, Mitsubishi Eclipse, Dodge Avenger, anything with the NVT or new Venture Gear T350. As you can see, I've got my transmission out currently on the SRT swap first gen, getting a 355 HD out of a second gen single overhead cam, Neon prepped, swapping diff, putting the cable bell housing on. I currently run the Quaife LSD. Before I ever ran that, I ran the stock open diff. The issue with stock open diff is the diff pin. This little guy will work itself out. It's going to take your case out. Resolution to that: get the diff pin saver tabs. Open the case, take 4 bolts out of the diff, bolt those in place. Once they're there, that's going to hold that pin in there. It's going to save you a lot of headaches in the long run. It's simple. 13 mil bolts, split the case. Just pick the diff up out, verify if you got tabs or not. If you don't, try and find some and throw them in there. It's going to save you a lot of headaches when that diff pin fails and takes out your case.